In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Canvas. This is an option you can choose to do if you'd like. So under my account here, you can see there's a picture here already. And I've decided I'm going to change this picture up a bit. And I can go to Profile. I can also go to Settings. And either one will work because in my profile picture, there's a little pencil here, and that is your edit button. So I'm going to click edit here. I have a couple choices. I can upload a picture. I can take a picture using my computer's camera, or I can do something which is called from Gravatar. And I don't not know anything about this, but if you do, it's an option. Taking a picture right now would be odd because I'm doing a Zoom video. So I'm going to go ahead and do an upload a picture. So these are pictures I have added to my Google Drive, and I put them in a folder. And since I've accessed them before, the Canvas knows where to go. So pictures, profile pictures. I have several different choices. This is the one I currently have. I could add this one. And let's just go ahead and do that. And then when I do, I get this box and this circle and these little rectangles. The circle I can drag and bring what the image is going to look like. It's going to crop my picture that I've uploaded here. And unfortunately, I can't quite tell where my chin is. So I'm going to guess it's about there. I'm going to click save. And why that didn't work. Here we go. Choose picture. Well, let's pick this one. Okay. Again, I gotta move the circle up. I'm gonna get some of my hair in there and the rest of my face in there, I hope. And I click save. And there we are. So now we can see that I have my profile picture, and you can actually see it a little bit better right here. And I did pretty good. That's not a bad picture. And how you can tell if it's a good picture is whether or not it really shows who you are. We can see your face well. It maybe even shows a bit of your personality. And this picture definitely does. I also, if you noticed in my file, and I'll show you how to do that, I uploaded a Bitmoji that I had done. And I can add that as well. Again, it shows my face-ish. I mean, it's not exactly, our Bitmoji's ever exact, but it also shows a bit of my personality, and so the people that interact with my Canvas page can get to know me a little bit better. So I'm going to open this. Again, now you have, it all fits in here. I could crop things down a little tighter if I wanted to, but I'm just going to leave that alone because it looks good. Click save. And there I am. There's my Bitmoji. And now people that are engaged with my Canvas account can see this. I am going to go ahead and refresh my page. And you can see that I'm now up here in my account page. I'm in my profile page. And people can see who I am. There you have it. Have fun.